The check engine light came on, so I began diagnosing the issue. I connected a scan tool, and it displayed two codes. Diarra 441, Evaporative Emission System Incorrect Purge Flow 45, Evaporative Emission System Leak Detected, Large Leak. These codes indicated a potential issue within the EVAP system, which is responsible for preventing fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. First, I confirmed that the fuel level was between 1/4 and 3/4 full, as this is necessary for accurate testing of the EVAP system. With the scan tool still connected, I performed an onboard EVAP system leakage test. The system failed to create negative pressure, indicating a possible leak. To pinpoint the source of the issue, I connected a smoke machine to the EVAP system and performed a smoke test. This test introduces smoke into the system to visually detect leaks. During the test, I noticed smoke leaking from the gas cap area. To verify the gas cap as the cause, I removed it and placed it on a gas cap tester. I applied pressure to the cap and found that it failed to retain the pressure, confirming that the gas cap was faulty. Based on these findings, I replaced the gas cap with a new one. After replacing it, I cleared the fault codes and performed a road test to ensure the repair was successful. The vehicle operated properly, the EVAP system passed the onboard tests, and the check engine light stayed off. No fault codes returned. This process highlights the importance of maintaining a properly functioning gas cap. A faulty gas cap can lead to fuel vapor leaks, triggering EVAP system-related fault codes and potentially increasing emissions. By systematically diagnosing and addressing the issue, I ensured the vehicle's emissions system operated as designed and restored the car to optimal condition.